break from it all was what you were hoping. Your way of coping, maybe you turn to drugs or alcohol. Maybe you're trapped in a dark patch and can't see your way out the hole. And you never got the last laugh and everything seems to be your fault. And your time's for others, not yourself, and you put your shit on hold. Flip the old routines and ways that you used to. Listen to wisdom that we bring in, it's Dundee and Medusa. It's not like suddenly you're supposed to have a different life. Just in those dark times, I hope that I can shed some light. Keep some time out for yourself every now and then. Maybe write some rhymes, that's how I get shit out of my system. So if you're listening, you know we spit this bold and strong. Born and kicking for you, so take it and soldier on.
Holding it down for those struggling with the grind of life. Holding it down
for those working the 9 to 5.
Holding it down for those trying to strive through strife. Holding it down.
You know we put our life in rhymes.
Holding it down for those struggling with the grind of life. Holding it down
for those working the 9 to 5.
Holding it down for those trying to strive through strife. Holding it down.
You know we put our life in rhymes.
It's the Hobart genius, subterranean artist beatsmith, making less cold hard per week than parking meters. Still you can't defeat us. Believe me, plenty have tried. Just made me lessoned and wise, with more depth than Centrelink lines. A benefit time, the best of my life is short compared to the raw despair of former affairs. Caught in the lair of the beast, been not fair off my feet, and caught my share in the teeth, but still refuse to taste the air of defeat. I keep climbing up the tower so the biters don't devour it. Work the hustle daily to keep on my lights and power. When I finally let it out, even Titans run and cow. But fuck it, I gotta spit, I can't stand idle another hour. I got tax to pay, food to buy, cash to make, rules to fight, wax to play, rules to write. So I relax all day, move at night, track the brakes through my sight. That's my fate, tunes for life. Holding it down
for those struggling with the grind of life.
Holding it down for those working their 9 to 5. Holding it down
for those trying to strive through strife.
Holding it down. You know we put our life in rhymes. Holding it down
for those struggling with the grind of life.
Holding it down for those working their 9 to 5. Holding it down
for those trying to strive through strife.
Holding it down. You know we put our life in rhymes.
Whether you're longing for love or scrounging for money, if you're bringing up kids or your housing ain't running, if some arsehole hates your guts and wants to have you done in, if you're locked up in prison for a crime in which you did nothing, if someone close to you recently passed away, if you're fighting addictions and drink a cask a day, if your partner's abusive and you incur domestic violence, if you try to speak out but others had you silenced, if you're tied in with people that just bring you down, if your life has been crippled with disease and drought and pain and vicious cycles that just eat you up and beat you up, you either hurt and I can see the cuts. Agree with us, at least this song that we spitting for, cause we the cunts who got your back with the shit we done record. So sing the chorus when you feel you've been done bad, cause it's your time to just keep holding it down and stick it to the scumbag.
Holding it down for those struggling with the grind of life. Holding it down
for those working the 9 to 5.
Holding it down for those trying to strive through strife. Holding it down.
You know we put our life in rhymes.
Holding it down for those struggling with the grind of life. Holding it down
for those working the 9 to 5.
Holding it down for those trying to strive through strife. Holding it down.
You know we put our life in rhymes.
So for me, holding it down is pumping our beats every night and getting by on 400 a week. Being true to my girl, all the rest of my crew. Standing up and rocking every gig the best I can do. But you can't step in my shoes, you got your own shit to deal with. Real shit, they don't sing about in clubs on weekends. Deep end of debt, births, deaths and red. Hex and petrol, baby food and 10% to that cunt John Howard and his top shelf compadres. Making sure if we get anything then it's the hard way. The dark days can surely make your heart break, but I ain't letting no shit put me off my pathway. I've been walking long enough to hold my own, and 3 times grown to know enough to hold control, hold a show, and one day I'll be owning the crown. Big goals just amounts, so fuck I better be rolling it now. Holding it down
for those struggling with the grind of life.
Holding it down for those working their 9 to 5. Holding it down
for those trying to strive through strife.
Holding it down. You know we put our life in rhymes. Holding it down for those struggling with the grind of life. Holding it down for those working their 9 to 5. Holding it down for those trying to strive through strife. Holding it down. You know we put our life in rhyme.
Hold it down. Hold it down. Hold it down. Hold it. Hold it down.
Mike, hit him up.
Weapons are drawn, I got a mic for the song. Despite of what you think, your life is in the palm of my hands. Hostage taker with unreachable demands. In a breachable position, he studied and planned his mission. Carry on the tradition of making victims cower into submission. I power trip and they listen, devour clips and I spit them with precision. I hit them in rhythm and when I get them they forget about living. Death is a given, the son of Satan is risen to christen earth. With evil of which his father is driven in since birth. Been delivering cuts worthy of shivering content. I'm administering. Been wanted to diminish them and finish them. Mortal Kombat's a fatality in reality. Challenge me, Mike D, as sharp as falcon talons. Be a fallacy with that knack to kick a fallacy. Lick shots with you between a wall painted gallery. Some say I'm dead, but I'm buried alive. Hip-hop's underground where it survives. Been a long time, but the future is here. I stayed strong and believed in the man in the mirror. I'm livid when I kick it, so vivid the mic's wicked. I live it, you can zip it, exquisitely written business. Armed and equipped to go the distance. For instance, I'm consistent in its survival of the fittest. The sickest with primal instincts, no forgiveness. What you want, I've been this. Only agendas to be tremendous. A contender couldn't fend this assault. They're offended and defeated by default. See, I superseded time, so it ain't their fault, bitch. Your flavor needs salt. I got 5-star taste. I bust in a hoe's face. She won't let it go to waste. More head the pillowcase. Lumberjack grills. Chop them up in the fireplace and burn no trace. Tie your tongue like a shoelace. You better buy a gun. Save face and die quicker. Eat the medicine cabinet down. 100 proof liquor. I'm sick of my balls bigger. Decapitate a stripper and fuck a face. Throw her in the river. Been a long time, but the future's here. Stayed strong and believed in the man in the mirror. Be goddamned if I fear. I don't compromise. Get mine. Take it all. It's just a matter of time. My tactics unmatched, elusive on attack. Status in the sack, it's conclusive on my Mac. I'm abusive on the track, workers rap, I don't slack. Think you better best to get Big John to nap. Have them listen to the crap, I scrap until they can't fight back. Game up, heading into the nightcap. I came up like pun, pistol whipping bitches with a gun. Expelled from school cause a kid thought snitching was fun. Fucking fool, got a compass to the neck. Got a class full of witnesses who quickly learned to give me respect. Angry kid running with an older crowd. Parents split, dad bounced, no one there to watch a child now. Not funny how my mama work all night to treat a broken family to a second breath in life. Kept what's left of us tight and the rest of it's nice. Sent my gator to college and that turned out alright.
Niggas all in your business. Snake in the grass assholes. Peep your stash. Bitches we hate. You ain't going nowhere, snake. But niggas we hate. See you.
Know what?
Check it.
I hate a nigga all up in your business. Trying to find all he can find about you. Yo, what is this? Damn, nigga, do you work for the source? I hope they pay you millions cause you act like you taking the place of Wendy Williams, nigga. I see you in front of my crib in the dark, lurking and waiting to see whose car was parked. It ain't your chick, so why you care for? Why you stop and stare for? What you there for? Do you need to know every single thing about my life? It's not enough that I rap and sing about my life. Even when I'm asleep, you got nothing else to do but call up your man who's a bitch nigga just like you. Talking about my business like it ain't nothing. Y'all have a 2-hour discussion on who I might be fucking. Cats with these feminine ways and traits. Just one example of the type of niggas I hate. Come on.
See, some motherfuckers got nothing to do but sit around and talk about you. Never seem to get the shit straight. These are the type of niggas we hate. They smile in your face, you think they your friends. They flip and they never be the same again. Coming around here acting all fake. These are the type of niggas we hate.
I hate them niggas who just kiss ass so they can move up in the game like quick fast and they get gas. Now they walking around like they so down cause they working up at Motown. But slow down, nigga, y'all motherfuckers is the worst kind. And I know you probably hearing this here for the first time, but I'ma say the shit other rappers just won't say. Think about it, feel it inside, but just don't say. Keep them fake hugs when you come into place. And when I see you, I'ma say this directly into your face. Y'all some fake niggas, except now you got a name. And this applies to half of these niggas up in this game. I hate you so much right now. I hate you so much right now. I hate you so much right now. I had to get a pen and just write this shit down. Come on.
Some motherfuckers got nothing to do but sit around and talk about you. Never seem to get the shit straight. These are the type of niggas we hate. They smile in your face, you think they your friends. They flip and they never be the same again. Coming around here acting all fake. These are the type of niggas we hate.
I hate bitches that be frontin' like they got your back, but when the jump off crack, you see it's not like that. Certain chicks put the S in snake. Try to give a bitch a break, wanna test your weight. Let them stay in your crib, even take your whip. Might even babysit while they playin' the strip. Kinda chick wanna smile up and call you sis. Can't even bring your man around, shorty. Call your mom's mom, even wear your clothes. That's why I gotta give it up to them honest hoes. You know what they about from the gate. Stay in they place. Here's another type of broad I hate. What type? Type to put all your business in the street. That's why I only got a handful of peeps. Closely analyze all the new ones I meet. 2001, bitches, I ain't too beat.
There you have it. Just a few examples. And if you can't relate to this shit right here, chances are you the type of motherfuckers we talking
You
about.
see, some motherfuckers got nothing to do but sit around and talk about you. Never seem to get the shit straight. These are the type of niggas we hate. They smile in your face, you think they your friends. They flip and they never be the same again. Coming around here acting all fake. These are the type of niggas we hate.
Come on. Yeah.
Sometimes it all comes down to that you are what's around you. And if it's one with scoundrels, then the sharks might just drown you. And this won't sound true until your body's found blue, with their ankles found to a couple of 80-pound shoes. Not meant for walking, but it's a way to be forgotten. Cause all too often cats don't stay true to what they are, man. These kids sparking about the many lives they lost in. The only time they hard is when their bodies lay postmortem. I just ignore them. And stories of how they stare at hell, it bores me. The lives they shot about, no doubt the lines are parallel. They cordially invited on a mission where we bid farewell to those who leave the children hopeless, like if they wish it was. I can't take it all, this fake shit never was my cup of tea. Half naked bitches and fake gangsters getting bubbly. We're in a state where nothing's sacred and it's really bugging me. Let's take it back to basics when that shit wasn't so lovely. It's not that hard to spot him, Mr. Rosh, you gotta watch him. Can't deny what's in their hearts and on their minds forever rotten. The shitty type of armor trying to stick you for a knot when you were already plotting on dimensions of the coffin. No, I never killed, but the measurements are accurate, it couldn't be concealed. The fact that you would act as if we didn't know the deal, it really makes me laugh, so quit your lacking hand skills. That's why you need a gat and shit. It's tragic how this rapid shit got niggas acting as such. You bigger with the trigger, but without it they just hush. Consider it a little bit, just a little too much of ridiculous. A little bit kids claiming they tough, we'll call you bluff. You so tough, we'll face the devil, then it's not enough just to talk, get the stepping, man, and walk the walk. Hard rocks are never hesitant, that's what I thought. Nigga, this is the medicine.
Yeah. Like the way it's going down, man.
She got the type of love that entice a thug, a tender mommy. But sometimes she like it raw. See, shorty way of thinking is we might split up. So when she think it's getting cold and she spice it up, she give me fever, give her chill bumps when I caress her all night. She never lets up. Love it when she gets up. Mornings turn to night again. Multiple pleasure. She love playing new games and love playing dress up. Role playing rendezvous in secluded spots. Sex in the city, reviews from the rooftop. Find a cool spot, stop. Christen the new drop. Ice can't keep your temperature down, you too hot. We do the craziest things and lay in the rain. Sex drives out of control, she can't stay in the lane. She said it turn her on when I'm saying her name. So don't stop, mom, playing your game. Should I tell her? I like it, love. You know just what I want. You know just what to flaunt. You got the psychic love. Type of love make a thug wanna wife it up. But Poppy play it cool so she can spice it up. I like it, love. You know just what I want. You know just what to flaunt. You got the psychic love. Type of love make a thug wanna wife it up. But Poppy play it cool so she can spice it up. We having fun now. I'm feeling and digging her style. She creative. Let her imaginations run wild. Put me on. Make sure I come back for more. She like, damn, but I never done that before. She wearing outfits and lingerie and appear sweeter. The stewardess suit, the NBA cheerleader. Personal secretary, night working tight skirts. The living maid, or my favorite, the night nurse. She take me out to public spots and get sushi. Sex in the restaurant, that sound juicy. Sneak me in the cinema, she says she wanna do me. As they play the Saturday matinee movie. The broad playwright, quiet spot in the park. Broad daylight, sex is what she called play fight. And I'll be ready whenever she put it on me again. The object is she want me to win. Should I tell her I like it, love? You know just what I want. You know just what to flaunt. You got the psychic love. Type of love make a dog wanna wife it up. But Poppy play it cool so she can spice it up. I like it, love. You know just what I want. You know just what to flaunt. You got the psychic love. Type of love make a dog wanna wife it up. But Poppy play it cool so she can spice it up. Yeah. Hey, yo, Nick Wiz, just let it ride out. You know what I mean? Just let it go from there, man. Oh, my mommy, sit back. Let your hair down. Let's go. Yeah.
I've been looking for that shadow that's inside of me for quite some time. Sunk my teeth in the light as a young man blind, but never regret the process or regret time. Just wish I could have helped the three of us and breached that line. Like how the hell was I supposed to know? It's a symbiotic circle that we all helped grow. And when it all fell through, yeah, we all sunk in the same lake and drowned in that vision of our future in the same day. And you can tell it to the doctor when he asks you, or carving in your little prison wall like a tattoo. But we got a frozen rock of luck like a statue that stands at the crossroads, blocking where to pass through. Damn, that's part of living on the offbeaten, part of skipping down that never-ending dark street. So you can fight it and draw the difference between us, cause the blood doesn't match, but the goddamn disease does. How many more hearts are we gon' break? How many failed steps are we gon' take? It's time to look at what we got here. Standing on the verge of that age-old question, is it nature versus nurture? How many more lines are we gon' cross until we figure out the pain we caused? It's time to look at what we got here. Standing on the verge of that age-old question, is it nature versus nurture? Flip through that little photo book that mom made and look for the warning signs crawling out of my face. And I've been questioning the level of our mind state that made us feel like everything around us was a crying shame. No answers, just a whole bunch of burnt bridges, earned stitches in a curve in our world's rhythm. And I don't know where we learned this from or how it stuck with you after all the worst was done, but it scares me, yeah, and I'm not afraid to say it. I'm ready to wake the demon in the closet up and face it and take it out and display it and show the world that it's real. Stop running from the past like it's gonna make you heal, cause it can't. And maybe that's the reason why I see it and feel it in my pen when I sit down and treat it. And after all of it's done, you don't have to believe it when the blood doesn't match and the goddamn disease lives. How many more hearts are we gon' break? How many failed steps are we gon' take? It's time to look at what we got here. Standing on the verge of that age-old question, is it nature versus nurture? How many more lines are we gon' cross until we figure out the pain we caused? It's time to look at what we got here. Standing on the verge of that age-old question, is it nature versus nurture?
Afura, cradled in the womb of the metropolis, dodging hellspawn, vision of going to heaven, nothing can stop this. Although I'm optimistic, balance it with being realistic, cause paradise part of the plan, I'm just scribbled in some book and shit. This all goes down as raindrops on my neighborhood. I love my hood, the motherfucker this ain't good. Crackheads selling dope to dope heads on blocks that's rented by house niggas. That's all getting rich off of the bloodshed. And as I experience none the lesser, and as high as I got off of the reapers, the boundless levels of horror, yo, they never disappear. I know, you know, it's like we're living in hell in the ghetto. I know, you know, babies are dying in the ghetto. Mothers are crying in the ghetto. I know, you know. It's like we're living in hell in the ghetto. I know, you know. Like that, like that, like that. I put the pedal to the metal, heavy metal in the ghetto. I ain't got to raise it cause hell is the grimy ghetto. I guess that's the catalyst for so many fantasies. People fantasize and happen to be surrounded by misery. The daughters, the sisters, the little bitties. Princess inside, you're beautiful. But mommy can't afford the sparkling dresses. As a matter of fact, kids around here need to be walking around with a vest on. Cause the quietest streets around here could be a war zone. And I'm in such disgust. Cause the police, instead of protecting and serving, they serving us. They brutalizing and battering. As a matter of fact, the play ghetto offers, I seen them laughing. Trying to pick up girls in uniform. Hanging outside them college dorms. We need some reform. Why is there ghetto? Cause society's divided by nothing but money. All over the globe, so many poverty-stricken lives, the facts that make your head explode. Cities and families all over, global overload. From Brownsville to Russia, through Somalia, through Croatia. Limitless lives, fight to survive, it's a hard ride. Demons coming for your high, but there's nowhere to run. Straight up, and there's nowhere to hide. Guess what? This negative situation is winning by a landslide. And if you live in this life, there's the worst schools and the worst doctors. Guess what? Society gotcha! After 2,999, yeah, another cold night. It's been frigid now for the last 15 months. The atmosphere as it was is non-existent. No sunshine, just a bunch of ill greenhouse nights. Home is a cavern outside of Nevada. Mankind is reminiscent of the planet of the apes. Can't take it, every human being for themselves. War's an everyday thing. Lucky if you can eat some dry weeds from a nearby land. As I deliver warmth from an old library. Information from the last Armageddon. Got pamphlets on what the earth was like when it had global warming. Wishing for set sun like Saturday, infinite boundless. But will I achieve? My family is a crew of black folk who study the science of life. Breathing incandescent gases, we search for life. This is Earth, after the millennium. Mankind is ruined, all the land is given him. This is Earth, after the millennium. Mankind is ruined, all the land is given him. This is Earth, after the millennium. Mankind is ruined, all the land is given him. This is Earth. My brother woke me from my sleep saying it's time to go. Now we have to find a new rest as Earth replenishes itself. Search for shelter in some old Confederate land. Traveling past a military reserve compound. Looking for any sign of canned food. Knowing it's odd we are able to still breathe. As I sit and look at the stars in the bitter cold, I think about how the universe is killing man. Land that's constantly pounded. Dang, another gas cloud, how we gonna make it around this? Then all of a sudden, in this land beyond Thunderdome, some beings from another constellation came to us saying, on this ground we cannot stay. So we moved on to the red dirt of Atlantis, where human beings fight for water in the darkest hours of sadness. In the darkest hours of sadness. Sadness. This is Earth. After the millennium, mankind is ruined. All the land is given him. This is Earth. After the millennium, mankind is ruined. All the land is given him. This is Earth. After the millennium, mankind is ruined. All the land is given him. This is Earth. After the millennium, mankind is ruined. All the land is given him. The land of some of the most intelligent beings that still exist on the planet. Though we can't stay long, the land is overpopulated by carnivorous man that takes souls and slaughter. This earth has nothing left for those who did not escape in the vortex some time ago. Odd. Every night in the south it snows nitrogen, then rains acid, something like Blade Runner with Nexus and Shaitan and them tribes trying to eat us. Demon savages, Teen Spirit, Nirvana. We came upon some people who had something close to water, woolly heads, so it's all culture. They said we couldn't have no food, but they would be able to assist us in the next shadow hour when we see two moons on gaining the opportunity to be transferred to another galaxy where we can live comfortable and not have to worry about being taken out by savages. This is Earth. After the millennium, mankind is ruined. All the land is given him. This is Earth. After the millennium, mankind is ruined. All the land is given him. This is Earth. After the millennium, mankind is ruined. All the land is given him. This is Earth. After the millennium, mankind is ruined. All the land is given him. A devastated place after the nuclear war. The millennium where the planet was controlled by computer satellites and cyborgs. Schwarzenegger, yes, the computers had taken over after religion. No praying for Jehovah. In those pamphlets I read, the sun had gotten closer. All communication was shut down. Either you were on the knowledge or it was over. Some left behind like slop. Others went on, so for them it's safe. Then it happened. Most escaped to the south and found land. The asteroids hit. Then the earth couldn't breathe again. No trees, no grass, no vegetation. Just bacteria, protozoa. Those absent of strength died off and a different species was born. We arrived in another time, teleported someplace much more important.
Sometimes I wonder what be going through these people's heads when they ride around about shooting folks and leave them dead, or pushing dope for the money like a pita bread. I wonder have they ever even held a gun or met a fed, or fled on foot through a neighborhood and shed a shirt, throw the work up in the bushes, lost searching red alert. Have you ever seen a fiend really lose control, leave the kids playing out in the road while they get open? I'm hoping that you can tell between what's real and what's fake. How many lives are you willing to make? How many lives are you really gonna take? How many zones are you really gonna bake? You glorifying shit that really ain't great, and what's worse, you ain't stacking, you just talking too much. Act like a pimp, but you all up in love. Ain't nothing wrong with just being yourself. The fans can see through what you feed them. If you weak, they can tell. And most these rappers looking weak as hell. Everybody wants to be what they see on that TV screen, but that ain't life. The mansions and the money, no, that ain't like what they really living. I see how easy it could be to lie on a track. All ink one's black, but that ain't right. Just be yourself when you grab that mic. Quit lying when you write. The city made me strong, in the game made me a local legend. Coldest rain rapper show in Texas, I'm the sole contestant. Don't mean to overstress it, but more or less I'm like a nose that's cold congested. Running shit and when I know they bless it. They say I'm so obsessed with dough and how to go and get it. I just wanna live somewhere where it ain't cold and roach infested. Every line I write is truth but not the facts, cause if I told the whole story my tracks would get the whole road arrested. Rappers are fraud, taking claps and applause from strangers while them nerds you chill with backpacks in the hall is laughing at y'all. And I know that the booth can be a cheap thrill, but you say what you feel is street, I say what the streets feel. Grew up on UGK, my speech trill, dirty, super tight. Chief and chronic wrapped the cigarillo, peach pills. So that's what Sandman rap about. It's probably why I'll never be famous either. That ain't what rap's about. Everybody wants to be what they see on that TV screen, but that ain't life. The mansions and the money, no, that ain't like what they really living. I see how easy it could be to lie on a track. All ink one's black, but that ain't right. Just be yourself when you grab that mic. Quit lying when you write.
Thanks for tuning in. Here goes some juice and gin. So have a seat, I got a suite, I know you used to them. You rapping UPN, I'm more like CNN. See now you CNN, vision like 2020. Now that's a clear channel that you can TiVo. These niggas sitcoms waiting on the sequel. I'm like a motion picture that the folks remember. See passion of the white, let me quote the scripture. Yeah, I sell coke, but I'd rather sell hope. Cause my people need it bad, man, we all broke. Like a sunk boat, how we supposed to float? The lack of ease shit, I guess I let that bitch coast. On another note, I know the feds
hot. Trying to try it in the court like Dred Scott. Southbound past the Glock, man, the lead hot. Put these cartoon rappers under bedrock. On the real though, they ain't got a PB. You ain't the same nigga that be rapping on your CD. Saying, man, no, these cats couldn't be me. Shit, I'm too low key to ever be on TV.
Everybody wants to be what they see on that TV screen, but that ain't life. The mansions and the money, no, that ain't like what they really living. I see how easy it could be to lie on the track. All ink runs black, but that ain't right. Just be yourself when you grab that mic. Quit lying when you write.
Gradually, I approach the center stage to open up your inner ears. Messiah's here to bring the pain, state my name. I recite these lines to guide you into a direction of being close to perfection. My ethics are non-fiction, a worldly type addiction, preventing contradiction to keep ripping all of the whack and maintain my shady mission. I condition upon the false stars, so mark my word. Never falling off on the verge, trying to let my voice be heard. Never settling for second or third for this lyrical outburst. Never misplaced or displaced or mistaken to be first. Watch my soul unfold, take toes on who remains bold. I'm a daisy who keeps making it. For the empire, I'm taking it. Stuck in the clutch, I'm on the cut. Writing rhymes and all that stuff. Using my mind, trying to find the meaning to my rhyme. There's no meaning. I rhyme for no reason. Who said there had to be a reason to express my epithet? I make this bet as a prophet to blind your third eye. Mark no questions and answers on the reasons why I imply. I speak intellectual intellect, trying to reset my whole mainframe, rejuvenate and revise my ethics. Step into this realm that you underrated. See that old flaws are deleted. Recollection is preceded. In 98, I rise, retaliate all of my notions. Configure it by next level, moving in silent motion. Step into this realm that you underrated. See that old flaws are deleted. Recollection is preceded. In 98, I rise, retaliate all of my notions. Configure it by next level, moving in silent motion. Motion. I promise to never fall off. The West is coming up, this generation is running up. My days been cruise up, lose all revenues, I thought you knew. Everything has changed, the rap music isn't falling up. All these rappers now today are too busy saying what? In this sub-level world, it's not what shady nemesis. The bandwagon drove through and commercialized the whole premises. I decided to reconstruct my mainframe, take originality to its capacity, tenacity. Drove it to be unstoppable, making my causes probable. Mind state's never minimal, brain frequency abdominal. Yes, it is possible to never fall off to make your promise. I made mine to the end of time, never gonna break mine. Shape-shifting minds can't always feel what I eject. Stay true to the heart, remain diverse, cause life is just a test. Steadily moving forward, toward to a right direction. A gypsy traveling mentally, feeding off of my reflections. This is the end to my river session, putting a stop to all of my stressing. I promise to never fall off, and I'm still losing intention, losing intention, losing intention. Step into this realm that you underrated. See that old flaws are deleted. Recollection is preceded. In 98, I rise, retaliate all of my notions. Configure it by next level, moving in silent motion. Step into this realm that you underrated. See that old flaws are deleted. Recollection is preceded. In 98, I rise, retaliate all of my notions. Configure it by next level, moving in silent motion.
I'd like you to tell me that you are and have been false prophet. But God is a superstition.
For the hell of it, used to think our souls were dead because of skeletons. Closet full of flames get fanned, and it's evident these sins know no bounds. We found power in the tears of men. For the hell of it,
a one that no rise or fall.
Out of my element.
First you feel the burns and scars,
then it's nothing.
The concept of time is lost. We don't even feel the fire no more.
Feel the fire. Standing in the pentagram, talk to Mr. Ouija. Sadomasochistic approach, this shit is easy. Animals I trap never all become pets. Hotter than the sun gets, so I'm getting undressed. Naked in the cesspool, bleeding from a flesh wound. How does it feel knowing God didn't bless you? Will I die a murder? Bullets from iron burners, sniffing coke, studying math to be a higher learner. Science of life is violence of strife, high as a kite. Tell me if I'm dying tonight. I've been here before, or was I sent back to this death trap? No free time, I spent that on a tangent. Nefarious man, running rampant, hold minds for ransom. Songs and necromancy, streets will be dampened with blood of the guilty. Before they kill me, my hands will be filled for the hell of it.
We used to think our souls were dead because of skeletons. Closet full of flames get fanned,
and it's evident
that these sins know no bounds. We found power in the tears of men.
For the hell of it,
a one that no rise or fall.
Out of my element.
First you feel the burns and scars,
then it's nothing.
The concept of time is lost. We don't even feel the fire no more.
Feel the fire.
They said I never learned within my work. Satan is served. I'm not concerned cause bad people get what they deserve. Lust in the earth, similar to silver and myrrh, but more worth than these things that never fit in a word. My sins were observed from heaven's skies. Oh, to my surprise, at age 9 it was decided I could not apply. Fuck it, I'll resign in heaven. I will not reside. Living life unshackled in a world full of dollar signs. I awoke in a bed of nails, head and pale, staring at the devils there. The sun of mountain flesh and there, the pain excruciating. Am I hallucinating? Lucifer seemed amused by the foolishness of my statement. So there I lay vacant amongst thieves and pagans in hell's basement. Brimstone became second nature. Got up and looked around, and these ain't all bad, cause I got fear with me plus a pussy on tap.
For the hell of it,
we used to think our souls were dead because of skeletons. Closet full of flames get fanned,
and it's evident
that these sins know no bounds. We found power in the tears of men.
For the hell of it,
a one that no rise or fall.
Out of my element.
First you feel the burns and scars,
then it's nothing.
The concept of time is lost. We don't even feel the fire no more.
Feel the fire. Thug stories, coke parties and blood orgies. Come towards me, get raped and done poorly. Violate your mind state, annihilate white gates. Invade your paradise, hide in the crime rate. Take you off the streets, flog the weak. Ridicule your faith, make it obsolete. You're a slave, imprisoned by the walls of intelligence. Fenced in by theories and myths, your life's irrelevant. For the hell of it, all these truths are self-evident. Fuck heaven and bitch, you don't gotta let us in. We need medicine provided by the seven sins. In love with the rush and the touch until I'm dead again. Trust the sentiment of prophets and better men. Stop me, not by the head on the devil's chin. Use the sugar, maybe I'ma quit like I knew I should. Had as high as a motherfucker, but the view is good.
We used to think our souls were dead because of skeletons. Closet full of flames get fanned,
and it's evident
that these sins know no bounds. We found power in the tears of men.
For the hell of it,
a one that no rise or fall.
Out of my element.
First you feel the burns and scars,
then it's nothing.
The concept of time is lost. We don't even feel the fire no more.
Feel the fire. Fire.
I need help. I'm a sinner. I've let the devil grab hold of me in ways I never imagined. I'm so full of sin. The Lord sometimes challenges us, doesn't he? Oh, yes, he does. Oh, yes, he does. Yes, he does. If I could grab the Lord's hand for help, I would, but he does these things all the time. These mysteries that he presents while we wait. While we wait for his word.
God didn't save your life. We did. Now fuck it. Get up. Get up.
I am the third revelation. I am the third revelation. I told you I would eat you. I told you I would eat you up.
We're brothers. We're brothers. We're brothers.
I'm finished. I'm finished. I'm finished. I'm finished. I'm finished.
Shoot!